Hello, good morning everybody. It's bisque day today. Let's see what we have here. This is something that a student made. I helped her because it was the first time, so obviously nobody can do that on the first time on the wheel, but she was nice. This is something that also one of my students made. Don't ask me what it is. I don't know. That my daughter made. Talented. This, I actually made this. I'm gonna put glazes on them, like different glazes. It's gonna be like samples of glazes. That also one of my students made. This I made for my mom. Iser. She's Iser. Okay. Let me put it here. All right. This I also made for my mom. It's black clay. And you're going to see the result of it when I'll glaze it. I hope it's going to turn out nice. What do you think, Aran? Not bad?
Beautiful.
Beautiful, yes. Okay. That Kochi made.
Moshe? His name is Moshe?
Oh, she named him. His name is Moshe.
Moshe.
Moses. I think it's for candles or something. I mean, it's beautiful, but you have to use it for something. Anyway, okay.
Another one of
Kochi's dwarfs. She's coming today. She's going to love it. She forgot she made it because it's been a while. This, oh, I know what this is. I mixed it with, underglaze. I wanted to see how it's going to come out. Oh, something here broke. I wonder what broke.
I think it's hat.
It's what?
The hat on the other side.
I don't see anything.
Here.
Oh, maybe, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna send it. Maybe it's because I put it laying. Okay. I don't know. Okay, so this Sonit made a cat.
A cat.
The cat in the hat. This I know. She told me that she made it for light bulbs to put it like against the wall. I like it. I made it. I made it for a company. Bakri. This, wow, she's gonna like it. Adas made it. She made this as well, Adas, which is very nice. She made a lot of progress, and this Liat made. It's nice.
Yeah.
No? Very nice. יפה, ליאת. Liat, she made an angel. Beautiful. Look at the face.
Yeah.
No?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And this also, these students made it. The mother and daughter. They came one day and they made all kind of stuff and very happy about it. These cracks, I didn't see them before.
Yeah.
Maybe it must have been there. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.